Make a great choice today with the 2018 Focus. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.